Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect KuCoin with Google Authenticator. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So from here, all you have to do is open your KuCoin account. And as you can see right now, I'm on the home page. All you have to do is go to the top left section where you see your profile. And then from here, you're going to scroll down until you see security. Click on security, and then from here, it will give you multiple options. One of them says Google verification. So click on that one. And then from here, it will send you an email verification code that you will have to paste once you copy it from your email address. Once you do that, it will tell you to download the Android APK from Google Play for the Google Authenticator app. But once it is installed, then you're going to click on continue. And then from here, you're going to copy this private key that you are not supposed to show well. And then you're going to copy it right here. Once you do that, you're going to go to your Google Authenticator app. So simply search for Authenticator. And then from here, you're going to click on the small plus sign in the bottom. And then from here, you're going to click on Enter a setup key. Now from here, as you can see, there's a code name, which you're going to name it. And then from here, you're going to paste the private key that they have sent you. And then click on the time base and then add. And that's pretty much it. Now you have your KuCoin attached to your Google Authenticator. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.